that the most important journey in our life is our journey to God's heart. Madalas ko po inuulit, marami sa atin, wow, nakatutok ka palagi sa career journey mo, financial journey mo. Wow, you've come a long way, baby. Pero baka naman, you're still a long way from the heart of God. Ang layo na ng narating mo, pero ang layo mo pa sa puso ng Diyos. This is what the Lord reminds us today. High altitude ka palagi, but you still have so many bad attitudes. Bottom line, what does it profit you and me? We gained the whole world. We have made good in all our journey of the money, journey of popularity. But in the end,